Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hello, guys. No. Cut. Alright, guys. Welcome back to the channel. It's ruddy freezing outside today, so what a day to pick to do the blower motor. Yeah, brilliant. I was planning to try and get this done this morning, but plans sort of like overran and everything, so this is going to be a horrible job, I've heard. I've got the lovely Philip Barnes on the way, en route, Barnesy Honda fn2. Put it up somewhere down there. Go give him a follow because he's a diamond. Hopefully Dan at the Oracle, Dan Lawrence, is coming to help as well. He's done his knee in, though, bless him, so I don't think he'll be doing any work, but any tips or hints or anything like that. There may be a visit from the Mr. Drupert, Mr. Modfix. He said he might pop along, so hopefully, cross fingers, it's all going to go to plan and it's not going to take 5 hours like someone said on Tinternet. So basically what we got to do is, the car's not clean, by the way, interior. So I do believe all this has got to come out, and then you wait to see this. By the way, up the gas. Yeah. So all this has to come out, and then we've got to get, I've shown you this before, the light's not on, but we've got to like get right down into the bowels of the car there. And there's something here we've got to take off as well. Oh, don't you have a Honda Beep? So, I'm going to crack on, boys, yeah! Forgot to mention, guys, that the first thing we're going to do is we're going to disconnect the battery, because people have said it's a lot easier to take the seat out. So we're going to take the driver's seat out. Obviously, we have to wait for the electricity to dissipate from doing that, so the airbag doesn't blow my face off. But, oh yes, please. I want to show you my latest modification. Look at that. Thanks to Christoph that lives in my flat block. Basically, the water is ingressing somewhere here, so just basically I'll get a tarpaulin. So yeah, let's get the battery off and then get the seat out. Guys, I've taken a seat out before, guys. Oh, 5p. Shut the front door. I've taken a seat out before, guys, so you have to go back and watch another video. But basically, see what I mean, it's dirty in here. So it's like, take the plastic covers off, front and back, and then it's the bolts under there, and then out comes the seat. Hopefully, cross fingers. Yeah. Yeah, as you can see, it's absolutely disgusting. Look at all that. Ugh. I'd love to say that I'm gonna clear that out, but I'm not. I'm just gonna crack on. Next thing is to get the plastics off. Yeah. So first things first, guys. This panel here has to come off, and all this down here, and then we've got to take this bit off, which I think is going to be the pain in the ass, if I'm being honest, but crack on. stuff, guys, make sure you don't snap them. Like, I'm probably going to. Flipping didn't. Jesus. And this bit, guys, it seems pretty ham-fisted, but you literally just give it a tug. And out it comes. Oh, he says. Oh, unless you're unless you're an idiot. And you've taped your interior LED floor lights to that. One absolute pillock. Forgot about that. Okay, yeah. Right, well, we're just going to have to persevere with that. Okay, so the next bit to come out is this whole centre bit here. So you've got screws here and here either side. Just thought I've parked right close up onto the wall, and I need to do the other side. And the battery's off, and there's no seat. Again, we'll sort that out when we come to it, yeah. So I've been joined by Mr. Steve Marney. Hi, Steve.
Hello. How you doing?
Yeah, been better, mate. Been better.
Getting there.
So we discovered, obviously. All right, guys. I don't know why it cut off then, but yeah, basically. So I've taken the screws out. There's one here and one back here. It's still recording, yeah. And then so I've taken this surround bit out. So now we're gonna do this bit. I've got a toxic knob. So mine just winds off like so. After an hour of. Oh wow, there we go, turn in. You've got the clips down there, haven't you? I was just saying to Steve, yeah, and on the other bit of the video when it stopped recording, I obviously taken this seat out and then realised that the screw's on the other side and that seat's in, and I've disconnected the battery so the car's not moving anywhere and there's no seat to drive it. But we're persevering, so... Right, next bit. So guys, like magic. Oh no, it's not going to do it now, is it? Aha! Oh. I'm saying like magic. Oh, it's my thing. I've got to take my thingy off. Oh, I've got to take that bit out. Oh.
This is trim tools, though.
Because that bit's fixed on there, isn't it? Would you use a pair of grips to get that on? Because that ain't going to come over there. I've forgotten how to put that on. I don't own trim tools, that's why I use screwdrivers. We'll be back. Oh, hang on. Ooh. So we've just been joined now by Mr. Philip Barnes.
Hello!
Barnesy Honda FN2.
You lovely people.
Yeah, there's this little beast over there. So there's three of us out. So I've got that out. So we couldn't get this turn.
But it never gets passed on to me. So we
Right.
had a brand new one.
Oh.
And he sold it.
Oh, sorry, we're just...
Sorry.
Phil's just giving us his life story. So this... We couldn't get this turny bit off, as I said before. My camera keeps shut off, and I don't know why, guys, so there you go. But Steve said about freeing this. It's just on clips. And then sort of like that, and then just ripping it out, and it's all gone. So this is, I think, where it's going to get... This is where it's going to get... It's going to get hard now. This is where the technical stuff comes in. So I'm going to try and film as much as I can, but bear with me if I can't. So yeah. I'll film for you.
Oh, you got one of them as well,
guys. I'm not going to lie. The Oracle, Mr. Dan Lawrence, has turned up on his bike. Yeah! Give us a wave, Dan. Give us a wave, Dan. Yeah! Steve is currently in. So basically, that arse. Yeah, so basically, I've taken the screws for the bracket that holds the clutch pedal on off. Lost one. Don't know where that's gone. Phil. Three would be fine for a minute. When we put it back on, it'll be a little bit wobbly. It'll be fine. And then we're just trying to figure out. It's a very complicated, pain in the butt job. that I could see why it would go to a garage. It's got a magnet. I could see why people would take it to a garage to have it done, because this is just... I've smacked several things. Phil's told me off for smacking things.
Rob has no patience. Rob just dives in, can't do it, and loses his patience. But he'll be alright. He'll do it. Eventually.
I feel like I've been told off. Anyway, Steve's doing a little bit now. I've basically told everyone that they're not allowed to desert me, so cross fingers we can get this done in the next 12 hours. Yeah! So it's still going amazing. And now we're joined by Modfix! Hi, Drew!
Who has the brains to bring a...
It's got the Haynes manual for the Mark 8
Haynes
Civic,
manual.
but we still can't really see what's going on. This is a twat.
Yeah.
Steve's just, I'm just sliding on camera. Steve's down there doing bits.
Good old Steve.
But yeah. Well, Drew, you are invaluable. Look, love it.
Got some shocks for you as well.
You got some shocks for me. Shocking. Nah, it's an awful joke. Like, he's bought the Beamers. Let's go have a little look at the Beamer a minute.
I used to think it was uncomfortable until I got my fn2.
God, look at these. All stripped out and everything. So this is your track car, your track toy. It's nice, mate. No, I don't want to jump in. No. Because then I just won't want to get out and then it'll all go beats on. Oh, it's nice, mate. You got track day the day before Silverstone, aren't you?
Yeah, so I don't know what to do. I've paid for camping, but whether I'm going to do this and literally go around and grab the fn2.
Yeah, I'm yo-yoing about camping, mate, to be honest, because I said to Gabrielle about it, she was like, so I was like, oh, okay. And I'm, oh, that's 243 brake that is apparently.
How much?
243
Is it?
on all stock stuff. RRC inlet, Teguo cold air intake, and a Teguo exhaust. And apparently it's 243. TDI North. But yeah. So yeah, yeah, I don't know what we're going to do, but see what happens, mate, innit? It's got a bit of curbing on your wheels there, mate.
Yeah?
Bit of curbing on. Oh no, it's not. It's where they put the new tyres on. Oh, what tyres did you put on in the end?
Michelin Super Sports.
Oh,
So,
excellent.
yeah, it's a bit bad. I don't really care.
Nice all right, mate.
Car, isn't it?
Yeah. Right, anyway, enough talking. Come on. You were going to get you working now, Drew. Oh, alright guys, so it's actually like a week later, nearly, from where the video left off. I'm in the lovely, warmer surroundings of my work. So yeah, we couldn't get it. We ran out of time basically. I got down with mum and dad's and started it at like 12:30, and it hit like 4-ish, 4:30, and the lights started to go. And we were close. I managed to get the motor unbolted and everything, but we just couldn't get the clutch pedal off because we ran out of time. I needed the car as well for the Monday, so yeah. Unfortunately, we didn't get it done. I was really down in the dumps about it. But Dan, Phil, and Drew, and Steve were like, come on, you know, we know what we're doing. We'll be able to strip it down in half the time. We will get it done. So yeah, a couple of days after, I was feeling a bit crud about it all, but I feel all right about it now. And I feel like we can do it. The motor is literally unscrewed. It's literally just trying to get it out. You should see the space, guys. It's like trying to get an elephant out of a freaking pinhole. It's ridiculous. So yeah. Part 2 coming on that, guys, and hopefully there'll be a better outcome. So at the moment I'm driving around with no fans still, but that's all right. On that note, I'd like to thank Dan Lawrence from the fn2 Crew Southwest, Steve Marley, Philip Barnesy, Honda FN2, and Drew down at Modfix, all for coming out and helping me. You're stars, the lot of you. Thank you for putting up my swearing and hitting things. Yeah. But yeah, we're gonna give it another go. But that's the video, guys. I'm sorry there wasn't a bit more of a better outcome, should I say? I don't know. Don't forget to head over to Don't forget to head over to Dino Days. Give them a follow, give them a like. Amazing stuff. What they do is brilliant, and thanks to them for sponsoring the channel. And don't forget to head. Oh, flipping Nora! It's a Saturday morning. I haven't had tea or coffee yet. Don't forget to head over to Mojo Automotive, because if you use the code, I think it's Robstervtec, I will double check. Yeah, it is. If you use the code Robstervtec, you get 10% off in the shop. It's brilliant. So yeah, that's gonna be it for me now, guys, for today. So yeah. Oh no! Quick shout out as well to Is it? Oh no. Oh, sorry, my arms are in holding this selfish stick. I'm gonna put the name up now. I'm really sorry, Stephen. I've forgotten the name of your channel, but I'm gonna put it up here. It's either fn2 LEDs or Honda LEDs, I think. But I will put it up. But I've been chatting to him. It's a guy from South Wales. He just started a YouTube channel. I'll put the link in the description. But a really nice bloke, just starting out on his fn2 journey as well. He wants to modify his car and stuff, so go give him a follow, subscribe, like. Just basically say he's a lovely bloke, because he is. Right, I'm going, guys. Got to go and do some work now. Got to go to cook some bacon and sausages and all that gubbins. But yes, if you do like the content, please do like the video and sub up to the channel, because it means a lot, guys. It'd help me out massively. We're on 374 subscribers now, which is madness, and I really, really want to get to 500 this year. That's my goal. So yes, I'll speak to you soon. See you later.